Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This week I'm going to be using a Planet Beautiful kit to plan last week's camping trip, and I'm sorry that my planner looks all buggered up, but I had planned and then I didn't like what I had put down, and it wasn't camping related kit, so I just pulled it up, and I'm showing you that the stickers I have pulled for this plan with me. This kit is called Glamping, and I'm just speeding you through the bottom washi. I like all the colours in this kit. It's very cute. I had a hard time choosing the girl for my sidebar, but that's the one that's closest to my hair colour. So I'm just finding some boxes to place down the bottom. I'm going to place the double box on the weekend and not use the third part of the scene. For this part, I'm just going to use this beautiful cups on the Friday there, and on Monday I struggled to figure out which one I wanted, but I ended up using the bag of makeup. For the top row, I'm just going to use this clothing flat lay because that's when I packed most of my stuff. And on the Thursday, I'm just going to use that light flat lay. I'm just placing the date covers up the top and the weekend banner on the double box. In the sidebar, I'm doing a Monday through Sunday checklist, and then a normal checkbox list, and then one of the 4 boxes down the bottom. I'm just placing all the deco up the top. So now we're going to get into the plans, and on Monday I'm just putting this little appointment label and this coffee sticker from a sampler for Coffee Monday. So that sticker is from Planet Beautiful. Now I've just placed down a half box, and in the half box I'm putting this sticker from Fox and Cactus for our food shopping. Then I'm placing this label, and on the label I am putting this sticker from Sinister Designs for washing my hair. Then I'm putting down this really small label, and on the label I am popping this sticker from Marshmallow Studio. That's for my son's speech therapy appointment. And down the bottom I am putting this fancy label, and I'm going to stick this sticker from Marshmallow Studio for Big Brother. For Tuesday I'm placing this half box and this Coffee Monsters shopping because we had a lot of errands to run, and then I'm putting this label and this packing sticker by Fox and Cactus. And then moving on, we have a half box, and on the half box I am putting this sticker from One Small Earth Love. It's a cleaning sticker. And then I pretty much decided that I wanted to move that down and put in another quarter box and put a TV icon in here for watching some TV. On this Wednesday, I'm putting down a box, and in the box I'm just going to be placing this sticker from Fox and Cactus because my son was sick. And then I'm putting down this label, and I'm going to stick an icon from the kit on it. That's to remind me to ring the chemist. And then I'm putting another tiny label with a prescription pill bottle from Stickers for You by Kate to remind me to pick up my son's medicine before we left. After that, I'm putting a box down and putting another Fox and Cactus. Well, going to paint some rocks before we left home so that I could put them in places. And then I'm just putting a movie marquee because we were just having like a movie night while we finished packing the car, and so keep the kids occupied. On Thursday, I'm putting this box sideways because we spent most of our Thursday driving, so we got this road trip sticker by Marshmallow Studio. Next, I'm placing down a fancy label, and on the fancy label I'm just going to stick this sticker from Sinister Designs because we had a little nap on our way. And then I'm putting down another little label and putting a campfire to remind myself that we needed to set up camp, and we had a beautiful campfire. And then I'm just putting down this half box. Wow, sorry about the shake. Putting down this half box, and in the half box I'm putting this sticker from Marshmallow Studio. Friday, I'm putting this little appointment label and this payday icon and script are from Sinister Designs. And after that, I'm placing a half box because we took a long walk at Bindagolly Lake, and there's like plenty of bird life there, and this hiking sticker is by Once More With Love. I just put down these two boxes in the bottom section, one with a writing girl from Marshmallow Studio and the other one is Campfire by Lily Pink Prince, and the tent is by Fox and Cactus to mark down where we camp for the night. And now on Saturday and Sunday I'm going to place these half boxes sideways, with the little hammer is from Coffee Monsters Co., the IKEA shit I believe, and that's to mark that we fossicked all day. And on Saturday I'm putting down this appointment label and putting it down in an appointment label on Sunday. And Saturdays I'm going to place down this washing sticker by Fox and Cactus, and then under that I'm placing a soda sticker on a label because I had a chill afternoon with a drink. And then at night I'm just placing down the fireplace and the tent like I did on Friday to notify where we were camping for the night. So on Sunday I was just putting a hair wash sticker, and then I'm putting another Fox and Cactus washing girl because I had more washing to do. So here's my completed spread, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! So this is the spread all filled in. I hope you enjoyed this longer plan with me, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!